Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you these two microphones that this brand sent to me for this video, which are wireless microphones. But the best thing about this one actually is that the wireless feature lies right here in this adapter. So you can actually put this one anywhere you want. Actually, you can see that it comes with the different pins, including the 3.5 jack adapter right here that I'm gonna use for this speaker, this karaoke speaker. But you can put it in anywhere for like a studio. You can put it in a karaoke machine. You can put it in speakers. If you're gonna go to a concert or like a conference or something like that, you can use this one, which is the wireless dongle. So that's actually really good because you can put it again anywhere and it's super convenient to have. These two had a dynamic range and also an auto scan that will scan the actual channel because it comes with the digital display right here, will tell you the actual channel that these microphones are. And by the way, each one of this one, you will have to put two batteries, two AA batteries, but you can use rechargeable batteries. So they actually can be rechargeable, you know, it's super easy. You just like unscrew this part right here. You will find the batteries. I actually have a rechargeable batteries. And right here, you also gonna manage the volume of the microphone. Right now, I have it on max volume, which is 10. So what we're gonna do right now, you can see how easy it is. Let's actually plug the receiver right here, which is gonna be the wireless one. Let's plug it right here on the back. This one is all set and ready to go. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna actually turn on the microphone, actually the speaker, turn on the speaker. It's gonna enter the Bluetooth. And now we're gonna actually turn on the wireless transmitter right here. So we're gonna plug this one back again. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna see a kind of like a light that is searching for the microphone. Then we're gonna turn on this one from here. And this one is gonna enter in the channel right away and they're connected already. So that is actually really cool. You can see the digital display right here. So I changed the input on this one. I'm gonna put my microphone down here so you can hear better and you can see how crispy these ones are.
So this one, it says you can see that you can hear my voice and it's actually in a really nice and crispy quality. You know, the best thing about this one is that, you know, this is just a speaker. This is a small karaoke speaker. But if you put like a big speaker, it's gonna be much better. So you can hear my voice, you know, louder. Or if you want, I can scream a little bit more and just tell you that this one goes this way. I do like it. I think that is kind of like a nice thing to do if you have like, again, like a conference or something like that, or if you're gonna be doing like a karaoke party or just hosting for friends and family. You have the two ones that you can actually go up to 200 feet away from the wireless dongle. So that's actually really good for like a party or something like that. But again, these ones are super convenient to use, really easy to use as well, and they work perfectly and super easy as well to connect. Plug and play, all set. I like this two microphone.